Hello, Network. Rob Paul here. I've led organizations with campuses from coast to coast, and the challenge was always the same. How do you deliver a consistent, excellent customer service experience everywhere? The answer is a playbook, a set of best practices that guides everyone. But here's the key. It can't just sit on a shelf. It has to live, breathe, and evolve with innovation. I've always used rankings and scorecards to spark healthy competition. The breakthrough came when top performers were required to share. The secret sauce can't stay locked in one branch or location. You shined because the organization gave you the platform, the brand, and the support. Now you have a responsibility to share the secret of your success. Put your win on the board, then open the playbook and bring others into the winner's circle. Lead well and live well, and thanks for tuning in.